Good morning, 10:23 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Sunday, December 17th, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I want to thank everybody for the birthday wishes that I've seen in the comments so far. A few of you in the Telegram. Yes, today's my 40th birthday, so I thank you all, but I have to get through this very quickly. I have to go coach the playoff games. It's very rainy here today, so I got to leave a little earlier. But I'm 2 games away with my team from the championship. We ended up the first seed. We're the overwhelming favorites going into the playoffs, so we'll see what happens. As you know, last season we were the runner-ups in a different division, and I'm coaching a different team this season, so it'd be pretty interesting if we're able to make a run here. So I got to go there in just under an hour. I have to be there for the practice, and then the game starts at 12. If we win, we play the championship at 1. So we'll see what happens. But again, I thank everybody for the birthday wishes. If you want to be part of the birthday festivities, I'll be back tonight at some point doing a live. But we're doing a birthday party at my house today after about 3 o'clock. So whatever time I get on tonight, we'll take a few birthday drinks together. We'll look at XRP. The futures will be opening, so it'll be a perfect time to go live, celebrate the birthday if anybody wants to tune in. But aside from that, please make sure to hit that like button, as it will greatly help push this community through the algorithm. It'll increase us through the analytics, and it'll allow more people to reach this beautiful community. As we can see XRP right now, and please share this on social media, as that's the #1 way, along with hitting that like button, to allow YouTube to push this content. As we can see with XRP, it's down 0.47% to 6175. We had a nice consolidatory little tug last night. Still have this W reversal that is formed already. It's just a matter of, can we break out of this formation? We've got to come up here to about the 625 mark, 626 we could say, to be more assured that we need to come up there and break it. First resistance is in the 2 hourly, but we haven't been able to get past there. 4 hourly, we have what looks like a start of possibly a reversal candle if it keeps pulling up. If we push up to, let's say, 623 in this candle, this could be the start of a reversal candle here. We had one in the candle before. It still looks like, even though it's looking bearish on the outside, it looks like there's still room to rally here. Unless we break down, we're still in this formation. And it's a bull flag that started back in October of 23. And if we look at the RSI here, we've got some room here now. We've cleared out a lot of space here to maybe make another push back up. It all depends on if we can gain the momentum here. If we're going to do something, though, in the next, 8.5 hours would be the prime time to try moving up here. And if we do rotate back up, we've already held the uptrending support 1, 2, 3 times. It's possible, even if we're bearish, we could come back up to that roughly 69 cent level, approximately 68.90. It looks like we could come back up there. Now, the one thing we need to be very, very, very observant about is if we continue to get rejected at this exact area, and this 62.15 keeps rejecting us, well, that means we could overtly fall bearish. But right now, I'm still seeing something that doesn't seem right here. Like, it was showing us overnight a breakdown. It was trying to tell us we were going to go down, liquidate some of these longs, and I still think there's a chance that it can push higher here. You'll know something's gone completely wrong if we do start rotating down. And I've been watching the 2-hour time frame. If the 2-hour time frame lost this support at like 605, and then ultimately you lose to 597, then you know something's gone wrong, and we would have a technical move down to 52.5 cents. But if we can continue to play down this path right now, it still looks like we're consolidating for something bigger. And there's no way to switch that opinion until this either breaks down or breaks out. But it still looks like there's a chance that this can reverse and rally higher. Even though on the start of the Sunday morning it looked a little bearish, I still think there's something going on here possibly. But we know the down targets. If it were to break down, we know exactly what we're looking for. And we would know exactly what needs to transpire for this target to start breaking down. So that's XRP. Let's take a look at the XRP market cap very quickly. Market cap's trying to hang on to that 33.15 billion. That's a very important pivot point. If we can bounce off of the support there, it looks like we're having this descending formation, or this nice consolidatory phase after pushing up. If we can hold this, we would push up to around that 35 billion again and give it a little nudge. But obviously we have to get past that 33.7 billion in the immediate short term while holding 33.15 billion. That's kind of like the caveat there. And then with Bitcoin, and then I've really got to go, I'm up against it right now. Bitcoin down 1.51%, or down 638 points to 41,608. Bitcoin got rejected at 42,663. This pattern hasn't given way yet. And even if it consolidates more, if it were to break down, it could technically come all the way down here to about 39,000 area. But if it wants to try to hold some support here, it needs to hold the 200-day, which is right at 41,600, and then start rotating back up. Otherwise, this could put in like a double top formation. Here is the problem. So we're basically squeezed. You want to break 42,663 before you lose in the 2-hour time frame. You're not looking to lose 41,600. Otherwise, this pattern could rotate very much so. As of right now, it's just coming down for a nice touch of liquidity. But if it does continue rotating a little bit farther, it could absolutely break down further than expected. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. If you got anything out of this, please make sure to hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel and joining the over 19,400 subscribers. Please share this on social media to help push us through the algorithm and the analytics. If you're looking to show personal support on the birthday or just because of what I do, you can always send a YouTube super chat or join Tom's Army. If you want to join the birthday stream, that'll be tonight at some point, probably after 6:37 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, whenever everybody leaves my house from the party. And then other than that, if you're trying to trade crypto or XRP or your favorite crypto, video description below, you can find a way to trade on the exchanges I use, whether you want a futures, which is leverage trading, or spot trading. You can long or short the market. And it's the lowest spot fees or future fees that you can use in the USA or abroad. So just consider that. Make sure to hit that like button. I'll catch you later on this afternoon.